Hi everyone, I'm Marina from English for Nations. This channel is dedicated to teach you English in a fun and a simple way. So if you have struggled to speak English in the past, this channel is for you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see all what's new. In this lesson, you will learn plural nouns. Shall I add s, es, or ies? Let's see. We usually add s to the noun. For example, car, we just add s when it's plural. Cars, cars. Apple, we just add s to it when it's plural. Apples, just add s, apples. Table, we just add s to the table when it's plural. Tables, just add s, tables. The pen, when it's plural, I just add s, so it will be pens, pens. But we add es when the noun ends with o, x, s, sh, or ch. Like watch, I add es to watch. In plural, it will be watches, I add es. Dress, I just add es to it. If it's plural, it's dresses, dresses. Brush, I add es to it when it's plural. Brushes, brushes. Tomato, I add es to it if it's plural. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Bush, I add es if it's plural. So it's bushes, bushes. Box, I add also es to box if it's plural. So it's boxes, boxes, add es to it. We drop y and add ies when the noun ends with a consonant and then a y. For example, candy, I add ies and drop the y. Candies, candies. Baby, I drop the y and add ies. So if it's plural, it will be babies, babies. But if the noun ends with a vowel and then a y, I just add s. Like boy, if it's plural, will be boys. I just add s, boys. Toy, I will need to add s, only s. Toys, toys. If the noun ends with f or fe, we need to drop the f or fe and add ves. For example, knife. It has fe at the end. We need to drop it and add ves. It would be knives. Wolf. We drop the f and add to the plural ves. Wolves, wolves. Wife, we drop fe and add ves when it's many. Wives, wives. Leaf, if it's plural, we need to drop the f and add ves. So it will be leaves, leaves. Irregular plural nouns. Let's see the irregular plural nouns. Woman, if it's plural, it's women. They are women. Child, if it's plural, it will be children, children. Man, if it's plural. Men, men. We say men, a lot of men. Foot. If there are two, we say feet, feet. Goose. If there are many, it will be geese. We say geese if there are many. Mouse. When it's plural, we say mice, mice. Tooth, one tooth. If it's plural, we say teeth, teeth. Ox, one ox. Two oxen. We say oxen, not oxes, oxen. Sheep, one sheep. If it's plural, we say sheep. It will remain the same, sheep. Fish, if it's plural, we say fish also. We don't change it. Let's do one exercise. Now fill in the blanks. What is the plural noun of each word here? Goose, what's the plural noun? Think about it. Yes, geese. Pen, what's the plural noun of it? Think about it. Correct, pens. Candy, what's the plural noun? Great candies. You add ies. Tomato, what's the plural noun? Correct, tomatoes. You add es. Foot, what's the plural noun? Correct, feet. Wolf, what's the plural noun here? Good, wolves. We add ves and drop the f. Fish, what's the plural noun of fish? It remains the same, correct, fish. Box, what is the plural noun of it? Yes, we add es, boxes. Tooth, what is the plural of tooth? Yeah, teeth, teeth. Brush, what is the plural noun of brush? Well done, brushes, you add es. That's all from me today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to see all what's new. See you next time.